In this video, I want to quickly show you what RT-Stage can do and how you can prepare a stage for it. RT-Stage is a 3D model preview application that slaps a spout texture on your LED screens so you can VJ on your stage in real time. With RT-Stage, you can have a really accurate view of how your visuals are going to look like on your stage. You can move the camera around to really get into all the nooks and crannies of your mapping, so if there is anything wrong, you'll be the first to know. So yeah, next I want to quickly show you how you can prepare a stage in your preferred software of choice. So I'm gonna use Blender for this, but you can use any software you want really, as long as you can export as OBJ. So what I'm quickly gonna do is create a fictional stage, just a really easy stage, simple stage. Just as a demonstration. There we go. Let's build an actual stage as well, or decorations, I guess. Here we go. Cool. Let's move these back a bit. Great. So the next thing you want to do is basically assign a green material to the LED screens. So these are the LED screens, and we can, in Blender at least, we can add a material. And I'm just gonna disconnect the actual render material, and I am interested in the viewport display because this gives the diffuse color in the exported OBJ. So we can change the diffuse color, and we want to have them all green, just green. So what I did was I turned off the red and the blue channels, and yeah, basically set the green channel all the way up. And then I just have to assign this material to all the other LED screens. And next I join them. So I create one vertex group. So they're in one vertex group. This is important. Next up, we UV edit them. So I create a new texture, a square texture in my case. As long as it's the same aspect ratio as your spout output from Resident, then you're good. So if I create a square texture, then in Resident Arena, make sure to send out a square spout texture as well. So I am going to UV unwrap it. And I want to center them. And scale them a bit, just so they're in the bounds. Cool. And then next up, basically, export the stage. And export it as an OBJ. And make sure you include the materials, so right materials as well. Tutorial stage. Cool. And then I'm just gonna save the project as well. Tutorial stage. Okay, now we can open our model in RT-Stage. Cool. We can load in our test stage. Tutorial stage object. This is the one. And there is our stage. On startup, it just displays this color grid. but then you know it's working basically. So you have a list of Spout inputs. Stage view is also sending out a Spout input, so if you select stage view as a Spout input, you just get a lot of feedback. All right, let's go back to Blender real quick to create an output map reference so we see what our mapping is basically. In Blender, at least, it's easy to export your UV layout as a PNG. So let's do that. It's here, export UV layout as a PNG image. Yes. Cool. Tutorial stage UV layout. That's whatever. Save it again. Let's quit Blender. And now we can use it as a input guide. There we go. There we are. So let's set it as an output guide as well. This is going to be the borders of our stage. So if we send over some visuals, and if we select Arena Screen 1, there they are. Let me quickly move it around a bit. And now you can preview the visuals on your stage. Raise the opacity a bit. All the green bits is where, yeah, your spout texture is going to be. And that's it, really. All right. Well, bye.